Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this presentation on diagnosing DTC P2670, which indicates an issue with the actuator supply voltage B circuit being low in the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This particular diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, is triggered when the body control module, or transmission control module, fails to receive appropriate voltage from the actuator supply circuit. The vehicle's performance can be severely affected if this issue goes unattended. Understanding both the symptoms and repair processes is crucial for ensuring the vehicle operates effectively. In this presentation, we'll outline detailed error descriptions, possible causes, typical symptoms, and a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to resolve the error efficiently. DTC P2670 refers to a malfunction in the actuator supply voltage B circuit, indicating that the voltage detected is lower than expected. This issue often implicates the transmission control module, or TCM, which regulates the vehicle's transmission operations. The TCM needs a consistent voltage supply to function correctly. If it receives low voltage, it may not shift gears as required. The TCM generally resides near the under-hood fuse and relay box, an area crucial for vehicle power distribution. When there's an issue with the actuator supply voltage, it can lead to reduced vehicle performance and potential hazards during driving. Properly diagnosing and understanding this error is necessary for efficient repairs and maintaining vehicle integrity. Several factors may lead to the appearance of DTC P2670. A common cause includes a short to ground in the VB2 plus B TCU2 wire, which could prevent adequate voltage from reaching the TCM. Additionally, a blown fuse, specifically fuse A12, may interrupt the power supply to the actuator circuit. If the fuse is continuously blowing, it necessitates further inspection to locate and repair any short circuits or wiring issues. Lastly, a faulty TCM potentially contributes to this DTC. If the module isn't functioning as intended, it may not process the voltage correctly. Understanding these causes is the foundation for effective troubleshooting and repair. When DTC P2670 is active, it can manifest a variety of symptoms affecting vehicle performance. You may notice transmission performance issues, such as delayed or erratic shifting. This can diminish the driving experience and may even pose safety risks. The check engine light typically illuminates on the dashboard, signaling that a problem requires immediate attention. Furthermore, additional DTC codes might be indicated alongside P2670, compounding potential diagnostics. Recognizing these symptoms is vital in determining the urgency of carry-out repairs to restore optimal vehicle function. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P2670 involves verifying the problem. Start by switching the vehicle to the on mode, a setting that activates essential vehicle systems without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, or HDS, to clear the existing DTC codes from the vehicle's memory. This process ensures a clean slate for further diagnostics. After clearing the DTC, turn the vehicle back to the off or lock position, and then return it to the on mode after waiting several seconds. Following this, check if the DTC reappears as a pending or confirmed error with the HDS. If DTC P2670 is indicated again, the failure data has been duplicated, prompting you to advance to the next troubleshooting step. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC P2670, begin by ensuring the vehicle is turned off completely. Carefully locate and check fuse A12, which is responsible for supplying power to the actuator circuit within the TCM. A blown fuse may be the simplest explanation for a lack of voltage, making this step critical in the troubleshooting protocol. If the fuse is intact, you can proceed to the next step. But if it is found to be blown, replacing the fuse is essential. After replacing, it's crucial to recheck the circuit and its components to confirm whether the issue persists. If the fuse blows again, this signals a further underlying problem, likely necessitating investigation of a short to ground in the wiring. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P2670, you will need to assess the wiring integrity connecting to the TCM. Begin by disconnecting TCM connector A, which features 23 pins. With the connection severed, measure the voltage between designated test points on the connector. Ensure the vehicle is still in the off or lock mode during this check. Specifically, you will measure between test point 1, identified as TCM connector A pin 23, and a solid body ground. If you observe a reading of battery voltage, this confirms that the VB2 plus B TCU2 wire is functional. And the next step should involve checking service bulletins or substituting a known good TCM. If battery voltage isn't present, this indicates an open circuit in the wiring, necessitating repairs to restore the connection. Once the necessary repairs are completed to address DTC P2670, it's critical to carry out final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Firstly, confirm that the diagnostic trouble code has been successfully cleared from the vehicle system. Following this, check the actuator's performance to ensure it operates within the expected parameters after repairs. Finally, a test drive is essential. This not only checks the new system's functionality, but also allows you to confirm that the vehicle shifts smoothly without errors. This thorough verification process ensures that the repairs made rectify the concerns associated with DTC P2670 and helps in restoring the vehicle to optimal operating condition. To minimize the likelihood of encountering DTC P2670 in the future, engaging in regular preventive maintenance is vital. Firstly, routinely inspect the connections to the transmission control module, ensuring they are clean and secure, as poor connections can lead to voltage issues. Additionally, checking the wiring harness for any signs of wear, fraying, or physical damage can catch potential issues before they cause significant problems. It's also important to timely replace any blown fuses you may encounter, as repeatedly using a vehicle with a blown fuse can cause further issues along the electrical system. Creating a habit of these maintenance practices not only extends the operational lifespan of the TCM, but can also safeguard against unexpected system failures on the road. In summary, DTC P270 indicates a low voltage issue in the actuator supply voltage B circuit within the Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023. Several factors can lead to this error, including problems with wiring, blown fuses, or faulty transmission sensors. Symptoms associated with this DTC often entail erratic transmission behavior and activation of the check engine light. We reviewed a structured troubleshooting guide to effectively diagnose and remedy the issue, emphasizing the importance of each step. Moreover, applying preventive maintenance can help ensure continued vehicle performance and reduce future occurrences of this DTC. Understanding the nuances of DTC P270 can empower vehicle owners or technicians to take informed action, enhancing overall safety and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.